So 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. I'm going to give name equation number 1. And also 3x plus y is equal to 11, equation number 2. If I multiply equation number 2 with 3, it will become 3y. Okay, so I'm gonna multiply and add both of them. Multiply equation 2 by 3 and add in equation 1. The equation number 1 should be remain same. So I'm gonna multiply equation number 2 with 3. So 3 3s are 9x plus 3 y's are 3y, and 3 times 11 is 33. And we are going to add both of the equations. So I'm gonna add them. So first of all, we can see minus 3y will be cancelled out with plus 3y. So 9 plus 2 is 11x is equal to 33. So x is equal to 33 divided by 11. So 11 3 times 33. X is equal to 3. So now I can put x is equal to 3 any of the equations, whether I'm going to put in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I'm going to put this in equation number, put x is equal to 3 in equation 2. So here we have 3 times 3, because we need to put x is equal to 3. 3 times 3 plus y is equal to 11. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 9, which is equal to 2. So here we have the solution. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So solution of xy is 3, 2. If I plot a graph of these equations are intersecting each other at the point 3, 2. For plotting the graph, I can convert this implicit value function into explicit. So how can I make this into explicit? I wanna show y on the left side and x on the right side. So I'm going to convert this into an explicit value function. 2x minus 3y equal to 0. So I can take minus 3y on the right side. So it will be 3y is equal to 2x. So y is equal to 2 by 3x. And for second, I can convert this. I just need to take 3x on the right side of the equation. It will be into the explicit value function. 3x plus y. From here I can write down from 1, and here I can write down from 2 is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 3x. So I can use these two equations in the graph function to show you whether they are touching each other on the point at the point 3, 2 or not. 2 divided by 3 times x. It is making a straight line on the graph, purple straight line, and I'm gonna add another function here, 11 minus 3x. 11 minus 3 times x. So here we have both of these equations are touching each other at point 3, 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. That's the point. So it means our solution is correct. And here we have equation number 2. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and 3x minus y is equal to 5. Again, if I multiply equation number 2 with 3, we can easily subtract term involving y. Multiplying equation 2 by 3 and add with equation 1. So equation 1 will remain same. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. And here, when we multiply equation number 2 with 3, so 3 3s are 9. 9x minus 3y is equal to 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And we're gonna add both of them. By adding both of them, 3y will be cancelled out. 9 plus 2 is 11x, and 15 plus 7 is 22. So x is equal to 2. So now we can put x is equal to 2 in any of the above equations. So I'm gonna use equation number 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. So 3 times 2 minus y is equal to 5. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 5, y is equal to 5. So minus y is equal to 5 minus 6. So minus y is equal to minus 1. It means y is equal to 1, which is the solution of these simultaneous linear equations. So we can say solution is of xy. The point is 2, 1. Okay. It means the graph of these both of the linear equations is intersecting each other at the point 2, 1. Again, we're gonna give name to the equation number 1 as 1, and here I'm gonna give name equation number 2. So look at here, if I add both of the equations, nothing is gonna cancel out. If I subtract both of the equation, nothing is gonna cancel out absolutely. We will have again two terms, two unknown terms. So for the second equation, if I make here 2x, and if I subtract the second equation from the first equation, we can easily cancel out the value of x from here. So I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtract it from 1. So multiply equation 2 by 2 and subtract it from equation 1. So equation 1 will remain same. So it will be 2x plus 4y is equal to 11. So I'm going to multiply with this equation number 2 by 2. So 2 times x is equal to 2x. 2 times 3y is equal to 6y. And 2 times 8 is equal to 16. And what we're going to do, we're going to subtract these equations from 1. So by subtracting, we need to change the symbols from here. So it will become minus and then it will become minus. So 2 will be cancelled out from minus 2x, and here we got 4 minus 6 minus 2y, and 11 minus 16 is minus 5. Minus will be cancelled out from both sides. That minus will be cancelled out from both sides. So y will be equal to 5 by 2. So now I can put y is equal to 5 by 2, any of the above equation, to find the value of x. So I'm gonna write here again, put y is equal to 5 by 2. If I put 5 by 2 here, so 2 will be cancelled out from the 4. So we don't want any fractional form here inside, so it will be more complicated. So I'm gonna put this in equation number 1. So 2x, so 4 times y is equal to 5 by 2, so 5 divided by 2 is equal to 11. So 2x plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so 2 5s are 10. 2 will multiply with 5, so 2 5s are 10 is equal to 11. So 10 will go to the right side of the equation, so 2x is equal to 10 minus 11 minus 10 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 by 2. So that's the solution. Solution of simultaneous linear equation at point xy is equal to x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 5 by 2. So these are the points where the both of the linear equations are intersecting each other. For making the graph, first we need to convert this equation into the explicit function value. So I'm going to convert this into explicit function. So from 1 I can say, from 1, 2x plus 4y is equal to 11. So I can take this 2x to the right side of the equation, so it will be 4y is equal to 11 minus 2x. So y is equal to 11 by 4 minus 2 by 4x, and 2 by 4 will become 1 over 2. So I am gonna write here 1 by 2 directly. So that's the first equation. From second equation, x plus 3y is equal to 8, we can just take this x on the right sides. So it will be from 2, I'm gonna write from 2. 3y is equal to 8 minus x, and y is equal to 8 by 3 minus x by 3. So I'm going to put these values into the graph to show you whether they are intersecting on the same solution or not. That's the first equation. I'm going to display this here. So it is making a straight line, the graph. I'm going to add the second one. Both of them are touching on the same solution. Look at here. The first one is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is, if we write it down into the decimal for to 0.5, 1 by 2 and 2.5. So let's see whether they are touching on the same points. Look at here. Here we have 0.5 on the x-axis. On the x-axis we have here between 0 and 1 we have 0.5 here, and on the y-axis between 2 and 3 here we have the 2.5. So we have the same solution from 0.5 and 2.5, and they are intersecting on the same point. So in this question we have two equations, and here we have equation number 2. I'm just gonna give them the names. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say put the value of y in equation number 2. Put value of y in equation number 2. So what's the value of y? Y is equal to 2x minus 1. So I'm gonna put 2x minus 1 instead of y. So x plus 2, and on the place of y I'm going to put 2x minus 1 equal to 8. So now we have the equation in a single unknown value. Only have x here. There is no other unknown value here. So now we can solve it for the value of x. So x will be here, and this bracket will be open. We're gonna open this bracket and multiply 2 inside the bracket. So 2 times 2x is equal to 4x. 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 8. So these are the like terms. 4x plus x is equal to 5x. Minus 2 can be take out to the right side of the equality. So minus 2 will be go to the right side, and 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 divided by 5. So x is equal to 2. So now I can use this value in equation number 1 to find the value of y. So I'm gonna say here, so x is equal to equation number 1. X is equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation number 1 is y is equal to 2 times x minus 1. So x is equal to 2. So I'm gonna put 2 in the place of x. So x is equal to 2 minus 1. So 2 2s are 4, minus 1 is equal to 4, minus 1 is 3. So the solution is 2, 3. We have equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. From equation number 1 I can say 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. So I can find the value as x is equal to something or y is equal to something. So I'm gonna write down as x as a y is equal to something. So minus 2y is equal to 11 minus 3x. If I multiply this equation with negative number, so it will be 2y is equal to, so minus 3x will become positive. So I'm gonna write down here in the first, and 11 will become negative. Both sides, b slash s mean both sides by negative. So now I can make the explicit value function. We're gonna divide both sides with 2. So 2 divided by 2 will be cancelled out, and 3x minus 11 can be written down as 4 divided by 2. So we can put this value y is equal to 3x minus 11 whole divided by 2 in equation number 2 over the place of y. So we can get the values, all of the values in single variable x. Value of y, and also I can give name to this equation as equation 3. That's the third equation we have made, because if I find the value of x, I can either put the value of x in the equation number 1 or equation number 2 or equation number 3. Any of the equations will give me the value of y. So 2x plus 3 times y. So y is equal to 3x minus 11 whole divided by 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 11 whole divided by 2 equal to 16. So now we can take the LCM throughout. 2 is the LCM. From left side, 2 is the LCM. So 2 times 2 is 4x plus 3 times 3x minus 11 is equal to 6. So in the next step, I can take this 2 to the right side of the equation, and I can open this bracket. So what I'm gonna do, 4x plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9x minus 3 times 11 is equal to 33 is equal to 16 times 2. They are the like terms, they can add with each other. So 4x plus 9 is equal to 13x minus 33 is equal to 16 times 2 is equal to 32. So 13x, 32 plus 33. So 32 plus 33 is equal to 65. 13x. So x is equal to 65 divided by 13 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Now I can put the value of x, whether I can use equation number 1, whether I can use equation number 2, or whether I can use equation number 3. Because equation number 3 is more simpler and we already made it into the simpler form. So I'm gonna use equation number 3 to find the value of y. So I'm gonna say put x is equal to 5 in equation 3. So y is equal to 3 times 5 minus 11 whole divided by 2. So 3 5s are 15 minus 11 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2. So we have the values, we have the solution of simultaneous linear equation where we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So solution is xy, which is equal to x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2 with equation 1 will be multiplied with 3 and equation 2 will multiply with 2 and 2 respectively, and add each of them. So first time I'm gonna multiply equation number 1 by 3. Multiplying equation number 1 and 2 by 3 and 2 respectively, and add each of the equation. 3 times 3 is 9x minus 3 times 2 is 6y is equal to 3 times 11 is equal to 33. Now I'm going to multiply equation number 2 with 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4x plus 2 times 3y is equal to 6y is equal to 2 times 16 is equal to 32. So now we can add both of them, because by adding we can cancel out minus 6y with plus 6y. So minus 6y will be cancelled out with plus 6y. So 9x plus 4x is equal to 13x. And here we have 33 plus 32 is equal to 65. So x is equal to 5. Again we have x is equal to 5 as we have done before. X is equal to 5. And we can put the value of x in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Any equations, put x is equal to 5 in equation. I'm going to use x is equal to 5 in equation 2. So I'm going to put x is equal to 5 in equation 2. So 2x, instead of x we should write x is equal to 5 plus 3y is equal to 16. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10 plus 3y is equal to 16. So 3y is equal to 16 minus 10, which is equal to 6, and y is equal to 6 divided by 3, so y is equal to 2. So that's the same solution we have done before. So the solution is simultaneous linear equation. Solution of simultaneous linear equation is 5 and 2. So solution of that point is 5 and 2. What does it mean? It means both of the linear equations are intersecting each other at the point 5, 2 on the graph. So we have these two equations. The green one is the equation number 1. They are touching each other at point 5, 2. Exactly 5, 2. Here you can see. It means our solution is correct. Multiplying equation 1 and 2 by 2 and 3 respectively. Add each of them. Okay, first term will be multiplied with 2. So 2 times 4 is 8x. Minus 2 times 3 is 6y. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then second term will be multiplied with 3. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15x. Plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6y. Is equal to 3 times minus 16 minus 48. And we are going to add them. So we can easily see minus 6y will be cancelled out with plus 6y, and 8 plus 15 is equal to 23 is equal to minus 48 plus 2 is equal to minus 46. So x is equal to minus 46 divided by 23. So it is equal to x is equal to minus 2. So we can put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1 or equation number 2, any of the equations. So I'm going to use here x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. So 5 times minus 2 plus 2y is equal to minus 16. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10 plus 2y is equal to minus 16. So 2y is equal to minus 16 plus 10 is equal to 6. Minus 16 plus 10 is equal to 6 divided by 2. So y is equal to 3. So it means our solution is minus 2, 3. It means both of the equations are intersecting each other at point minus 2, 3. So in question number 14, we have the value of x, and we can use this value of x as 2y plus 9 in equation number 2. If I put the value of x here, we can get the value of y. Put x is equal to 2y plus 9 in equation 2. So now I'm gonna say 3 times, so x is equal to 2y plus 9, so I'm gonna write here 2y plus 9 minus 2 times y is equal to 19. So by resolving this bracket, I'm gonna multiply 3 inside the bracket. So 3 times 2y is equal to 6y plus 3 times 9 is equal to 27 minus 2y is equal to 19. So 6y minus 2y is equal to 4y, and 27 will go to the right side of equality, so it will become 19 minus 27. So 19 minus 27 is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to minus 8 by 4, which is equal to, so I'm gonna use this, put y is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So x is equal to 2 times minus 2 plus 9. So 2 times minus 2 is minus 4 plus 9 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. So solution is 5 and minus 2.